1 month of Rollertap. So let's see my progress and where I'm at the moment with this Rollertap game from Rollercoin. Stay tuned. Okay, so for those of you that don't know, Rollertap is a new play-to-click game, if you want to call it like that, from Rollercoin. And you basically tap to receive Roller community coins, which should be integrated into the game, hopefully when the user base of Rollertap reaches 1 million users. So at the moment, we don't know how many users there are officially. Sometimes I do ask in the Discord community and someone from the team does reply. I believe it is now close to 200,000 users for Rollertap, and 1 month has gone by. So if we were to base that, and that is the pattern for the future, then hopefully in 5 months time we will be at that 1 million mark, but maybe that will be even sooner, and maybe the Rollercoin team will decide to reduce that 1 million, I don't know, maybe to 500,000, and we'll get there sooner. So on my screen here you can see Rollercoin in the background and Rollertap. Rollertap, you do need Telegram to be installed, and if you do sign up to Rollertap with my referral link that is down in the description below this video, then you'll instantly receive 2,000 of the Roller community coins that you can see here. Okay, at the moment I have 30 million and I am at level 6, and this is my progress. So I am making 62 coins per tap. Next level I need 1 billion of those coins, and I'm making a passive income of 1.371 million coins per hour thanks to the cards that I have in my arsenal here. So basically I've got these cards. I've even upgraded Funny Hamster to level 27. I have shown you the Excel sheet, which I am always updating. I've showed you that in previous videos on my channel, so be sure to check out that Excel sheet because it will help you to make more strategic and wiser decisions when you actually purchase these cards. See what's more profitable at the time depending on your situation. All you need to do is just plug in the numbers that you have. I've got other videos on that, so be sure to check out how the sheet works. That's going to be in the link below this video as well, so you can find that on Google Sheets. You can even make a copy for yourself and save a copy, because you won't be able to edit the sheet online. You'll just be able to view that, so make sure to make a copy of that, and then you'll be able to edit and play with it as you like to see how you can get your profit, the best profit that you can possibly achieve as well. Okay, so I've got Mr. Hamster at level 23 as well here, 17 million to go up to the next level, and Mr. Hamster does go up by 20,000 extra hourly earnings with each and every upgrade. That increases a little bit by each and every level as well. When I go to my special cards here, you can see that I've maxed out Uncle's Blessing. I cannot go more than level 50. So when you get to level 50, you will be getting an extra income of 25% on your total, and that will be added here to coins per hour. Dancing Plakester, basically what this does, I've made it up to level 3 so far because it's quite expensive to upgrade any further, at least right now. So 42 million to upgrade to the next level. So what this does is energy per tap is 4. So for every tap that I make here right now, it's like I'm tapping 4 times. So if I tap once, you see this 464 came to 460. So for each and every tap, it's like I tapped 1, 2, 3, 4. But all I need to do is tap less. So now I'm going to start blasting through this even faster, and I need to click less. Okay, so that is all that card does. I know a lot of you are buying auto clickers. Obviously, if you try to install an auto clicker on your phone or on your desktop, then the Rollercoin team will notice that and might actually ban you. Okay, so do not try to install any auto clicker. I'm not totally sure about these mechanical ones that people are buying, okay, so they don't tap themselves, but technically speaking, it is still kind of cheating, okay? It's not, I don't think you'll officially get banned because I don't think that the team will realize that, but many people have been posting that they're actually buying those auto clickers in the Discord channel of Rollercoin itself. So the Rollercoin team are probably aware that people are doing that. I don't think it's going to be punishable or anything like that, because at the end of the day, it's still simulating a tap, but an actual physical tap and not through software. So that quite possibly you can get away with that one. I am just manually tapping. I just got that Plaguester to get through it faster. My energy level is at 6,000 now. I've upgraded that up to 6,000 because it was more profitable, because the Rollercoin team did sweeten that deal a bit with the energy. Boosts, okay, so currently, as you can see, 62 coins per tap. If I were to go to the next level, so actually I'm at level 17, that's giving me 50, but since I've advanced to level 6, I've gotten more per level. You get like 2, 3, sometimes 4 for the next level, okay? If I upgrade this, then I'm going to get another 3 for 25 million. So I'd basically use all of what I've got right now. Calculate that, put it into the sheet that I just explained that I have, and you'll know exactly how much more you'll be earning and see if that is worth it for you. Energy level 2.92 to go to the next level and get plus 500. Worth it or not? Yeah, you'll be getting like 500 more clicks, 500 times that 62 or whatever you have, and see if that will be worth it or not, or if it's more worth it to invest those or save them up for a card or a special card, okay? Again, with the Auntie's Joy at level 6 here with the special cards, at the moment I'm reducing my recharge time to wait until that recharge button pops up by minus 3,600 seconds. I'm at level 6. Next level is 1.176, and I'd be reducing it by another, now this is important, you're not actually going to reduce it by another 4,200 seconds. That is the total. So at the moment I'm reducing it by 3,600. Next level I'd be reducing it by minus 4,200. Okay, so I'd be reducing it basically by 600 seconds more, which is 10 minutes. Okay, so each and every level you're reducing by 10 minutes pretty much. I don't know about levels that are higher up. Maybe you'd be reducing a bit more as the price goes up. I don't know. I'll let you know once I get there if I actually continue to upgrade this card. So basically I've totally reduced my time by 1 hour at the moment. So minus 3,600 seconds is an hour. And from 4 hours waiting, I only now need to wait 3 hours, okay, until this recharge button pops up. So I'll be able to do another 6,000 clicks, which in my case is 4 times less because I've got the dancing Plaguester card that I showed you earlier right here, okay? Because 1 click is 4 taps, so yeah, I'm doing 4 times less technically. Awesome. So that is pretty much my progress. Do let me know your progress down below, and also let me know what you think about Rollertap. Do you think this will be a success? At the end of the day, we want that these roller community coins are usable within the Rollercoin game, but the only way that's going to happen, at least so far, is if 1 million users actually subscribe to the game. So be sure to use my referral link down below, so you will get 2,000 to start you off with, okay? At least it's something. You'll get 2,000, I'll get something as well. I believe I get 2,000 as well. Be sure to invite as many friends as you can yourself as well, so that we can try and hit that number and actually make use of these roller community coins in the Rollercoin game. That is pretty much it from my end. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.